What if I told you there's a brand new way to collaborate with AI that's even faster, smarter, and honestly pretty fun to work with? Stick around as we explore OpenAI's newest feature in ChatGPT, the Canvas. Canvas is one of the highlights from 12 days of OpenAI event. It kinda changed the way you work with AI. Imagine a collaborative editor where both you and ChatGPT can contribute, edit, and refine ideas together in real time. Let's dive into what makes Canvas such a game changer for writers, programmers, and just about anyone who loves getting things done efficiently. Do you know 80 to 90% of this channel viewers unsubscribed? If you're enjoying this deep dive into AI's potential and how it reshapes our world, hit that subscribe button. Canvas is like having your AI co writer sitting right next to you. Whether you are brainstorming a story, drafting an email, or polishing your blog post, Canvas lets you start editing directly in the interface. Here's how it works. You will see bunch of tools in ChatGPT now where you can select Canvas and it is available only for logged in user, so get your account ready. Start typing your draft or ask ChatGPT to write a story. The interface switches to side by side view where the traditional inline chart is on the left and your editable canvas will open on the right side. From here, both you and ChatGPT can edit collaboratively, making this perfect for refining ideas together. If you want a section to be rephrased, you just have to highlight it and ask ChatGPT to rephrase it for you. And you can have section headings and format document as required. Need more tweaks? You'll find these shortcut options in the right bottom, where you can customize the length of generated content to fit your need, adjust the reading level anywhere from kindergarten simplicity to a graduate level complexity. Feel free to request suggestions, propose edits, or add finishing touches. And if you want, you can even throw in some emojis to spice things up. Canvas isn't just for writers, it doubles as a powerful code editor. Let's say you're working on a Python script that's throwing errors. Here's what you can do: paste the code into Canvas and it will automatically highlight syntax. Ask it to debug and fix the errors. Canvas will analyze the code, suggest fixes, and even apply them for you. Once the bug is fixed, you can run the code directly within the Canvas and check the output. There's even a show changes feature similar to Git where you can compare the original and updated version. Plus, it could execute Python libraries like Matplotlib to generate charts and visualize data. Let's create a data frame with 2024 F1 driver championship data and try to plot it with Matplotlib. Before we wrap up, I'm excited to announce a brand new playlist focused on building real time apps with AI for developers and testers. Stay tuned for that. So, whether you are a writer looking to brainstorm ideas, a programmer debugging code, or just someone who wants to work smarter, Canvas is your new best friend. If you are as excited about this as I am, make sure to try it out and let me know what you think in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more contents like this. I'll see you in the next one.